Hey friends, if you wish to change the time zone on Microsoft Teams, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Teams in the Windows search bar and go to Microsoft Teams. Wait till it loads. I'm just waiting for it to load. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Okay. Now, in the General tab, scroll down to the Language and Format section and you can change the language format here. Okay, like you can select a different type of English and also the time format and the date format. Okay, so this is all you can do for the time zone. Actually, there's another section for the time zone, but this is managed through Windows settings. So if you really want to change the time zone for Microsoft Teams, not just the language, then you will have to do it through the system itself, because Teams will accept the time zone for the system. So switch off this button to set time zone automatically, and then you will be able to change the time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.